Marts, 13 years old, ride for Craycroft Cycles and TSK. This is my bike check. Got a 2010 Supercross Passion frame, 21 and a quarter. It's for sale. Actually, I'm ordering a volume midship, so have that pretty soon. Got the ODI long neck grips. Cut the flanges off, run them backwards, just feels better. Flangeless is amazing. Supercross massive bars. I have a 6-degree back seat, so like really flat. Sunday Freeze top load stem with an animal. Well, it's an animal top cap with a kink headset, so I just like the look of this. And then Supercross Pro SLT forks. Profile Racing 175mm cranks with Odyssey JCPC pedals. Love these things, but they tear up your shins from time to time. Just Shadow Interlock 2 chain, like best chain ever, swear to God. And then Collation Hellgate sprocket that's bent like crazy, but you know, whatever. With an animal PC bottom bracket, really like the look of that. Just Kink Sean Sexton seat with an animal wedge post that I spray painted and then Sharpied. It looks horrible, but you know, whatever. Midship's got an integrated post, so I'm good. The Kink Vela rear tire, and the back wheel is a Demolition Rolls cassette hub. Like the sound on that. And then that is laced to a nitrous hoop with Odyssey spokes. Holds up pretty good. You know, a lot of people don't like the nitrous rims, but they work out fine for me. So, and then just a heavy steel peg with some Odyssey chain tensioners, so the wheel doesn't slip. And then the front, I have a Demolition Bulimia front hub laced to a nitrous rim with Odyssey spokes. Then Kink Vela front tire, or no, Lyra, the Kink Lyra front tire. These are great tires, by the way. With, you know, just another heavy steel peg, and then G Sport hub guards front and rear. So yeah, that's bike check.